Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs, and I believe in sharing ideas. Okay, this is a very big concept, right? So for me, if I'm talking about a goal, right, I want to tell as many people as possible the goal. I want to consistently say that goal out loud, so it's constantly in the front of my mind and constantly at the forefront. It's not so much about whether it's going to work or whether it's not going to work. It's more about just stating it constantly, constantly just convincing myself that it's possible to hit that goal and consistently showing that I'm going to be able to actually do it. You know, oftentimes if a business is going to be good, I can oftentimes tell based on whether the person is like telling people about it. Some people are so close-minded and they're like, I don't want to tell anybody because someone could steal my idea. I'm coming up with the next Uber spaceship shuttle launch times like 5 million. And you can tell it's not going to work because you have to be able to tell people about your idea so you can sell it to people. So if you start off not telling people, you're going to have a hard time when it's actually launching to be able to tell people about it and actually get sales and marketing going for it. It's very funny, right? You have to be able to share ideas, consistently tell people, because then people are going to give you their feedback and they're going to say, oh wow, I don't think that's a great idea because X, Y, and Z. And you can take that objective feedback from a stranger and say, okay, that's a good point. So now if I fix C, I think it's going to work. And you keep doing that until you have a great invention or a great whatever that you're trying to build. Same thing with working on consultation. Same thing with growing your coaching business or your accounting business, whatever the case might be. But if you want to start taking strides towards being able to actually grow that and have a sustainable business that allows you to live the life that you want, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share it with someone who can benefit from the information that has been shared. Have a great day, take it easy, talk to you soon, and go join that group. Oop, my chair fell.